Hello, this is Pat Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Object-Oriented Programming class, week 1. So this week, we worked with UML diagrams, and using Lucidcharts, we can make a UML diagram, which is essentially these boxes, which we can use to outline our classes, the attributes that they're going to have, and what we want them to do. So, this got cut off up here, but we'd start by putting input into the Enigma emulator. It can only be characters. So once input, there will be a validation, which that's what works here with the cutoff. We'll have an array holding all of the characters. The validation will call upon the array, check to make sure it's valid, and send it on over up here to the encrypt decrypt, which, if decrypting, will just change the letters to back what they're supposed to be and shoot back to the output nice and easy. And if it's supposed to be encrypted, then it's going to come over here and go through a series of shift swaps, shift back, swap back, and it can swap before or after the shift. And that's pretty much where we're at for this. I think this is going to be a really interesting project. I think it's going to help us learn how to work on a team, and I'm interested to see how it goes. So, nice, short, and sweet video this week.